Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome to Kitchen 101. Here, we are going to take a closer look at some of the key ingredients, spices, and equipment that we will use in Amrita Prasadam. Curd chilies are commonly used as a topping for curd rice, which is a classic comfort food dish of soft cooked rice mixed with yogurt. Cardamom powder is widely used in Indian sweet dishes, ice creams, milk specialties, and hot masala milk. Cashews, almonds, and pistachios are generally used as a garnish in desserts. Cashews and almonds are also used to thicken up gravy. They are a source of many nutrients. Almond milk makes a great beverage and has grown in popularity in recent times. Peanuts in general are a rich source of antioxidant and vitamin E. But if you are allergic to peanuts, avoid using them. An iron kadai is great for deep frying, also sautéing or roasting potatoes as it roasts evenly and delivers a good taste. Cooking in cast iron pans or vessels can help to increase the iron intake in the body, which may be beneficial to some people. After cleaning with a sponge and drying, coat the top with a few drops of oil to prevent it from rusting. That's it for today. We will continue exploring more ingredients and other items in the next episode. See you in the next one. Om Namah Shivaya.